Hello everyone. Meet again with my channel Car, Interior and Exterior. In this video we will discuss about Car's 2022 Alfa Romeo Stelvio Quadrifoglio. The only changes to the 2022 Stelvio Quadrifoglio involve newly standard features. These include a suite of previously optional driver assists such as adaptive cruise control, automatic high beam headlights, blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, and front and rear parking sensors. It also now comes standard with an auto-dimming rearview mirror, built-in navigation, front and rear heated seats, and wireless phone charging. Alfa has raised the starting price of the Stelvio QF a few $1,000s to account for the addition of various newly standard features. The version we'd choose would forego the optional Sparco racing seats due to their restrictive qualities and lack of heating elements. However, we'd add the carbon package that dresses the exterior mirrors, V-shaped grille, and steering wheel with carbon fiber and includes a leather-wrapped shift knob. The sole engine is a hypnotic twin-turbocharged 2.9-liter V6 that makes 505 horsepower and 443 pound-feet of torque. It pairs exclusively with a paddle-shifted 8-speed automatic transmission that sends power to all four wheels. One version we tested rocketed to 60 miles per hour in 3.3 seconds, making it one of the quickest SUVs we've ever tested. The most impressive trait of this hot crossover, along with its stunning body, is an ethereal chassis that rides as well as it turns. The Stelvio QF's interior has some build quality flaws, but its leather-covered and contrast-stitched surfaces are much improved versus the materials found on the regular Stelvio. The QF's supportive front seats, nearly perfect driving position, and enormous column-mounted paddle shifters ensure the driver never feels too far from the racetrack. It also has many desirable standard features such as 14-way power-adjustable front seats, ambient interior lighting, a heated steering wheel and front seat cushions, and more. The Stelvio has a comfortable back seat, but headroom and interior cubby storage are unremarkable. Still, we managed to fit 8 carry-on suitcases behind its back row and another 11 bags with the seats folded.